CNC Intelligent Saw Milling Machining Center for Aluminum Profile. A composite processing center specifically designed for aluminum window and door profiles, featuring integrated processing that revolutionizes traditional manufacturing methods. After one positioning of the profile, it can automatically complete all the machining processes, such as sawing, drilling, and milling. Greatly shorten the machining time of workpiece, and the production efficiency is several times higher than the traditional mode. It fundamentally solves the problem of loss of positioning reference caused by multiple clamping and ensures the ultimate precision and consistency of machining dimensions. Multi-function drilling and milling. Equipped with high-performance electric spindle, it can complete a series of complex drilling holes on the four sides and end face of the profile, including drainage hole, lock hole, corner hole, and milling slot, lock slot, pulley slot, and other operations. The servo-driven precision sawing system can automatically complete the precise cutting of 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, and other angles in the horizontal plane, and the cut is smooth without burr. The bed is constructed with high-quality steel plates, featuring finite element analysis for optimized design and stress relief annealing treatment. Ensure the overall structure is highly rigid and stable to resist long-term deformation of machining stress. High-precision linear guides, ball screws, and servo motors from internationally renowned brands are selected to ensure long-term smooth operation and positioning accuracy of each motion axis. Equipped with CNC Intelligent Control System and graphical human-machine interface, it is easy to program and can store hundreds of workpiece processing programs to realize one-click call. Equipped with high-precision servo drive feeding mechanism and pneumatic clamping device, it can realize automatic fixed length and accurate positioning to ensure the processing benchmark of each product is uniform. The system has a fault self-diagnosis function, real-time monitoring of equipment running status, maintenance prompts, and maximum reduction of downtime risk. The equipment integrates the functions of multiple devices, saves equipment investment, space occupation, and operators, greatly shortens the processing cycle of a single product, and has significant comprehensive benefits. The intelligent control system greatly reduces the requirements for the skills of operators. New hands can be employed after simple training, effectively solving the problem of labor shortage.